Did it shut off or just got a bottom out? Did it shut off or just bottom out?
Did you shut it off? Huh? Was it off?
I died? Oh fuck, then you got water in the exhaust.
Probably. There's not really an exhaust in this one, so it's fine.
No, but you get water from the exhaust on the cylinder.
No, so this one's a 4-cylinder, the exhaust is going straight off, and it's not high enough for that. We don't have the full straight pipe right now.
Ah, okay, go straight up.
No, it's straight down, but it's by the engine.
Okay.
There's none of the exhaust.
Then it's not drowning.
No, it's not drowning.
Buddy, I gotta say, you can't park here.
You should have Frank. That's a bit different. Frank? You just got. I think you just watch some water.
Is it car?
Ah, if you cover it, yeah, I got flash on the water.
As you can see, well, yeah, but I'll just wait until this out. Well, we're about to test for water.
Oh, try the first test. Don't give up, you gotta keep trying.
I got hole in the waders. My water full of water here.
Yeah, I got a hole through that.
And this shit.
I had a hole in my other one, I patched it. Este está bien.
Oh yeah, I could see why. Look at this. Elika, llegó Elika. No, Elika. Yeah, Elika 2.0.
Yeah, it is coming. This guy's dead.
Have lunch and let it dry out.
Yeah. Yeah. So you probably
¿Y
go
North
water.
Beach es para allá, Gerardo?
Ah,
North Beach es para allá?
yeah. Not to the left, to the river because you know it gets deeper in the far end.
There's a point when you have to stop.
I know.
Yeah, you know where to stop and get out, right?
Yeah. I found out the hard time last time. We're going to go at night. We're going just flooring like 25 this way. Yeah, I'm going boom. Luckily I didn't sing because I just bottom out because the mud got stopped really fast.
Yeah, that's where you stop.
Yeah. Gravity will make you stop right on there. Sí, pues estamos back in the middle now.
Yeah, where's Leo?
I think that's you.
He went to get the strap, he said.
I'll check what goes where.
Time to start the video.
Oh, I know what goes where.